This class asks a question that doesn't get asked often, and that is, what is a human being? Now, of course, there's conversations about what human flourishing look like, but we don't actually take the time to think about what it is to be human in a concrete way. And specifically, this class asks a question about what it means to be a human creature created by God. And the second question that needs to be asked is, well, what is technology? And the reason this question needs to be asked is because today we are being human in the middle of a technological society immersed in a network of technologies. And so there is no such thing as really being human or flourishing apart from our relationships to technology. So the course tries to help us think through these two questions and their interrelation by looking at three different things. First of all, let's just try to understand the world in which we live today. And we take a historical and philosophical and theological look at how technology has come to take the place that it has in our society. What does it mean to live in a society that is at its core centered around technology? Next, we think about, what does it mean to be a human person? How do we define the human person in particular? And so we closely read scripture and we think about some particularly challenging questions, say with disability and other limits and vulnerabilities. And the third part of the course asks the questions about how we imagine the future. How do we imagine our future? And here we think about questions from the realm of medical ethics or a transhumanist vision for life, which has to do with how human beings can be even better, almost a new species than they currently are through technology. And that's an important area to think about because it really reveals to us our aspirations. This is the ideal to which we are seeking. And so at the end of the course, students walk away really with three things: a better understanding of what technology is and what good technology is in particular. And second, they think about more about what it means to have a relationship with God as a creature, as someone created by God and for God. And thirdly, they think about what sorts of practices they need in their personal lives to have a rich relationship with God and to be faithful to the calling that God has on their life.